In this tutorial, you'll learn how to organize your Microsoft Outlook calendar using color categories. To get started, click the Settings icon to open the app's main settings. Next, type in the search box if you want to quickly find calendar options, and select the Settings menu to personalize your Outlook experience. Now, manage your calendar categories by removing any that you no longer need. Delete any unwanted categories to keep your calendar organized, and use the refresh icon to apply changes immediately. You can edit existing categories by clicking the pencil icon and typing new names or details directly into the name field for clarity. When you're ready to add a new category, use the search function if needed, and click Create New. Then, enter your new category's name to help organize events going forward. Select a color from the available palette so your category stands out visually. Then, select your category in the list and close the dialog to save your changes. To use a color category, open any event and select the Categorize option from the menu. Choose the category you want to apply and confirm your selection. Add a descriptive title to your calendar event so it's easy to identify at a glance. If you need to change status or share, use the available icons or menu options, such as Send to OneNote, for additional organization. Lastly, select your color-coded category in the dropdown so it's applied to your event instantly. You've now learned how to color code and organize your Outlook calendar efficiently.